Hi guys, this is Matt from Mark Supply. Today we have for sale a stainless steel Western contractor grade MVP3 V-Plow for on Dodge Ram pickup trucks. This will fit on a Dodge Ram 1500 with a mega cab. It will fit on 03 to 09 Dodge Ram 2500 and 3500. As you can see here, there is the it uses the UltraMount 2 system. They are a trip edge. You can see there everything is in excellent shape. The lights do work. Cutting edges are excellent. You can see the decals not even wore off the face of the blade there. It does come with 3 replacement edges of the long edge, as well as 3 spare of the inner edge there towards the center of the V. Comes with some spare cutting edge bolts. A toolkit here has some oil, solenoid, stuff like that in there. Just hoses, general stuff that can go bad while you're out plowing to get you out of a pinch there. All kinds of wiring here for the wiring harness. That's everything you would need, including the control. This is the mount that goes on the pickup. This was removed from an 05 Dodge 3500. So once again, this will fit 03 to 09 Dodge Ram 1500 with a mega cab, and then 03 to 09 Ram 2500 and 3500. So any questions, give Nick or Matt a call, 814-658-3066. Check out our website, marksupplyco.com. We also advertise on Tractor House Machinery Trader, and we will have another one of these for sale that did come off of a 2015 Dodge Ram. So any questions, call Nick or Matt. Thanks.